Sara from Average Betty here, and I'm making Chef Jose Andres wrinkled potatoes. Served with red and green mojo, this signature dish of the Canary Islands is perfect for entertaining. Let's make wrinkled potatoes. There are only a few key components to this master chef recipe, and the potatoes are number one. Look at these adorable Idaho peewee potatoes. They're Mother Nature's potato tot, and salty wrinkled potatoes pop in your mouth when you eat them. So having these tiny 1 or 2 bite peewees makes them even better. This may look like a lot of potatoes, but if you're entertaining, these tapas are going to go fast. And if you're entertaining, you can get them in fancy colors too. So, okay. Here are the potatoes. They've been cleaned and then covered with water here, and this is over high heat. Now, Chef Jose Andres says this cooking water should taste like the sea, and he ain't kidding. When I tested this recipe, I couldn't handle the salt. But that's just me, so I've reduced it just a bit. And now you're not up all night drinking water. Bring this to a boil, cover, and simmer. Chef Jose explains that wrinkled potatoes are the bread of the Canary Islands, and Mojo Rojo and Mojo Verde are the dipping sauces. If you want to be like Jose Andres, you can use one of these. Garlic and salt, cumin seeds, dried chilies, Spanish smoked paprika, olive oil, and this is a little water and sherry wine vinegar. Another approach is the blender. For the Mojo Verde, we've got garlic, cilantro, ground cumin, and salt. Get that going. This is olive oil, and here's more of that sherry wine vinegar and a little water. The blender version is more creamy. The other, a little more rustic, and a little more of a wrist workout. Chances are you want to make these sauces ahead of the potatoes, unless you've got some sous chef that I don't know about. But back to those potatoes. When they're done, drain the water, leaving just enough to cover the bottom, and then return the potatoes to the heat. Cook and shake the pot until the salt covering the potatoes begins to crystallize. Isn't that cool? They look like little rocks. Then remove the potatoes from the heat and wrap them in a kitchen towel. And this is when the wrinkling happens. Dump them right out to serve. Mojo Rojo, Mojo Verde, they pop in your mouth. And look at the color of this purple peewee. This is such a fun and colorful recipe to entertain with. Chef Jose knows how to party. Get the recipe at averagebetty.com. So next time you're looking for party fare that's sure to please everyone with taste buds, I hope you give wrinkled potatoes a try. Thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next time. Wrinkled potatoes.